Welcome to the Wisys Customer Knowledge Library. Let's take you on a quick tour. It is important to note that this site is still under development. There will be a lot more content coming, but that will not change what we're showing you today. First, let's talk about the ways you can navigate to the content that you need. You can either use the links at the top navigation bar or use the corresponding images below to get where you need to go. Let's first look at navigating by role and application. Working in this view will give you a more informative way of accessing documentation and knowledge related to your role and then by the applications that you're using. The sections expand to display related content underneath the main headings. You'll see a bit of background information about the program, the related information, and links to get you to the user guides and other information you need to fully round out the topic. For Agility 360, Agility Mobile, by warehouse role, this is broken down into different types of roles in a warehouse, such as for inventory management, outbound warehouse, production, and inbound warehouse. These are the links to the training documentation related to the specific form that you may be using. For system administrators and developers, they have their own section. You access information about each topic in the same way, by expanding each one to view its contents. Underneath the System Administrator Developer section is the Agility Intelligence AI Tools section. Each of these applications are already expanded for you as they're meant for both general users and administrators. At the time of this recording, the applications you will find here are the AI Agent, which is an embedded AI chat tool for Agility Explorer, AI Fusion, production scheduler, which assists in creating and managing schedules for people and resources, AI Interpreter, our automated order entry tool, and the AI Packing tool, which is a visually automated carton packing assistant. The glossary can be a useful tool for terminology not known to you. The News Events Support and Release Notes page is an amalgamation of non-document type information. It will be useful when you need to contact Wisys for sales-related information, submit a support ticket, or look at our hours of operation. There are also links to release notes, how to subscribe to our newsletter, and additional Wisys information. We've also provided some feedback tools for the site itself and the way to contact us if you're having issues with the site. Next, let's take a look at how to search in the site. The first thing to note is that it does matter where you are in the site when you begin your search. Let's say we're looking for documentation related to pallets. If we are on a site page, such as Home, Navigate by Role or Application, or the News and Events page, and we search for pallets, it will return every artifact in the site that has the word pallets in it. We can see here that pallet is included in several documents, glossary terms, and on information site pages. This might be helpful if you want to read everything there is to know about palettes. If you find this kind of broad search is a little overwhelming, search from the Navigate through the folders view. This will limit the search to only documentation that has the word palettes in it. You may also find that an exact match or phrase search to be very helpful. Let's say we were looking specifically for anything that mentions bin transfers. By adding that phrase with quotes, it will return only documentation that has that phrase in it. Once you've located the document you wish to look at, all you have to do is select it. You can either scroll with your mouse through the pages, or if you hover at the bottom of the document, you'll see some page controls down here. This will help you jump from page to page quicker. There's also a zoom feature. If there was a particular word inside this document that you were looking for, we do recommend that you use the search inside of the document screen, rather than using the Control F find in the browser. Let's say, for example, we want to look for unit of measure. As we type in unit, it will tell us how many times that word occurs in the document, and it gives you a next and previous. To close the document, you will want to use the X close in the corner, not the back button on the browser, or that will close you out of the site. That concludes our site tour. We hope you found this helpful.